Customer retention is one of the biggest profit drivers in an auto repair business. It is much easier to bring back an existing customer than to win a brand new one. AI helps by automating service reminders based on time, mileage, and previous repair history. Instead of relying on memory or inconsistent manual outreach, AI can send timely reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, battery checks, and factory recommended maintenance. These reminders can be personalized so they feel relevant and helpful, not generic. That increases return visits and keeps your schedule fuller throughout the month. AI can even segment customers based on vehicle type or service frequency, so your communication becomes more precise. More repeat visits lead to stronger customer relationships and higher lifetime value. America's Best Shops understands that long-term growth comes from both acquisition and retention, and AI makes retention easier for busy shop owners who want better systems without adding more complexity. Simple automation can create steady, reliable revenue from customers you already worked hard to earn.